Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel. I am your Katalon studio instructor and my name is Kumaresh. Thank you for connecting with us. Hope you are doing well. Let's start our today's session. Today, we are going to learn about test suites in Katalon Studio. A test suite is a collection of multiple different or duplicate test cases which will help to execute multiple test cases together. Also, it helps to map the functional requirements to define the scope of test execution. To create a new test suite, go to File or right-click on Test Suite artifact and select option New Test Suite. The test suites looks like this, which is highlighted here. By clicking on the Add button from the Test Suite Execution Information section, we can add the test cases. Once the execution is completed, the Result tab shows the execution summary of the test suites. The test suites also helps to group multiple test cases and store the execution results permanently within the Katalon project. Another important features of Katalon Studio with related to Test Suite is Test Suite Collection. A Test Suite Collection contains a list of test suites to allow users more options to plan their test execution. To create a new Test Suite Collection, go to File or right-click on Test Suite artifact and select option New Test Suite Collection. The Test Suite Collection look like this. The new Test Suite Collection page opens with two sections. Execution information, which allows us to manage additional configurations for TSC execution, and Test Suite List, which allows us to add one or many test suites into a collection. This guide shows how to create and configure Test Suite and Test Suite Collection. We will now show the demonstration to usage of test suites. Now we are going to start with test suite creation with the existing test cases. Till now, we have developed one test case. So we will copy and paste the existing test case to have two test cases. To create a new test suite, right-click on the Test Suite artifact and select the option New Test Suite option. Enter a suitable name of new test suite and click on OK button. An empty test suite is now created. We need to pull the test cases into this test suite. Click on Add button and select the test cases to add. Let's select both the test cases and click on OK button. The test suite is now created with test cases. Click on Save button to save the project. Now, we will see the execution of test suite. Click on Run button to initiate the execution. The execution of first test case will start immediately. It will take a couple of seconds to complete. The executor will launch the application and proceed with the steps which are defined in the test case. The first test case is not executed successfully from the test suite. The second test case is now started execution through the test suite. This test case will be also executed similarly as it is the duplicate to the first test case. The test execution is completed now. But the Katalon is taking some time to upload the execution data for the analytics and history purposes. The Result tab of the test suite shows the execution summary for both the test cases. The test cases table section contains the filter based on the execution status checkbox. We can select or deselect the filter options. That's all about execution of Katalon test suite. Now, we will discuss about the creation and configuration of test suite collection. The test suite collection contains multiple test suites. So, we will create duplicate test suite by copy and pasting the existing one. After that, we will keep only one test case and remove other one from each of the test suites. To create a new test suite collection, right-click on the test suite artifact and select the option New, Test Suite Collection option. Enter a suitable name of new test suite collection and click on OK button to confirm. The empty test suite collection is now created. We will click on Add button to select the test suites from Test Suite Browser and click on OK to confirm. The test suite collection is ready to execute now. If we initiate the execution, it will execute all the test cases which are available within the grouped test suites. By clicking on Profile field of each of the test suite entry, we assign the appropriate execution profile for global test data. Thanks for watching this video. That's all about test suite in Katalon Studio. We will learn about how to reuse the test cases in upcoming videos.
Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. You can check our other website as well. We have features like YouTube Trends, Twitter Trends, Scientific Calculator, and many more other tools. If you like our video, please like, comment and share. If you have any questions, please comment and we will resolve your query.